हमारे जो मठটা তার নাম হলো গোপীনাথ জি গৌড়ীয় মঠ।
ও আলাদের।
You were saying Krishna is Vidagda,
হ্যাঁ,
that he knows which pastime to perform each time. What about we are singing in Arati Lalita Madhava Bame Brishabhanukanya. This Lalita, what is this meaning? This quality, Lalita Madhava.
ললিতম নেই, ললিত।
Lolito
হ্যাঁ,
Madhava.
ললিত মাধব বামে বৃষভানু কন্যা নীল নিরদলে
Nila Basana Gauri.
রূপে গুণে ধন্যা।
This quality.
This quality, Lalit Madhav. Lalit Madhav means Madhav who are joined by the Gopi. That is called Lalita Madhav. বশীভূত। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? বশীভূত। কৃষ্ণ ইজ আন্ডার দেয়ার কন্ট্রোল। হুজ কন্ট্রোল?
Gopis and
গোপী মানে প্রেয়সী, ডিয়ার গোপী। Is controlled by them, under them. That is Lalita Madhav. And another is Vidagdha Madhav. Lalita Madhav and Vidagdha Madhav. It is higher stage. We cannot understand this kind of picture, because so many kinds of gopi, Sokhi, Priyanarma Sokhi, Sokha, Priyanarma Sokha, so many Sokhas. According to their quality, their stage, different stage. The Lalit, who is controlled by the devotees. That is the quality of Lalita Madhav. Madhav means Ma means mother, and Dhava means Poti. Ma means, who is Ma? Radharani. Dhava matlab Poti. This kind of explain you can see in the Vishnu Sahasranam by the Tika of Baladev Vidyabhushan. Madhava. Ma matlab Lokhi, Sarvalokhimayi Radharani. Why Sarvalokhimayi Radharani?
all they are coming from her.
They are incarnation from Radharani. Thakur Bhakti Vinod in his Giti, Uma, Roma, Satya, Suti, Chitra, Rukmini, Radha avatar sabhi Amanayabani. As Krishna, so many incarnations. Ram, Nisingha, Varaha, Vamana, everything. And so many incarnations of Radharani also. So, when Bhagavan became a Narasimha, then Radharani became a Lakshmi of Narasimha. So, in Pranam mantra, you uttered Bhagisha Jasya Badani Lasmiri Jasya Cha Bhakshasi Jasyaste Hridaye Swambit Tang Nisingam Ahangavad. Jai Nisingha, Sri Nisingha, Jai Jai Nisingha, Prahlādesha Jaya Padma Mukha Padma Bhinga. What is the meaning?
Shri is Lakshmi, Shri Nrisingha. Prahladesh, he is a master of Prahlad.
Master?
Prahladesh.
Isha.
Yeah, Isha.
He is Isha of Prahlad.
Yeah.
Padma?
Padma Mukha.
No, Padma Mukha nahi. Padma means Lakshmi. And Nisingha is the
Bringer
bringer of
her lotus.
that Lakshmi Mukha Padma, the lotus of mouth, Lakshmi.
Bring a bee.
Bee, kind of bee, not bee. डोंक मारने वाला भी भ्रमर बड़ा बड़ा काला काला
Black.
black. They take honey from the lotus and Nisingha there eat money from the mouth of Lakshmi. Mukha Padma Bhinga. See, Krishna is both Lalit and beloved. So Rupa Goswami written two books, Lalit Madhav and Vidagdha Madhav. Bhagavan teaching the people, devotees, Bhoga Vilas in Puri, Vairagya Vilas in Badrinath, and Sayan Vilas in Dwarka, and the Snan Vilas in Ramestram, so called Char Dham. Dwarika Dham, Jagannath Puri Dham, Rameswaram and Badrinath. Badrinath is Vairagya Vilas. It takes Vairagya to the devotees in Badrinath. So, Badrinath taken very little prasad. And almost all dry food. But Jagannath taken so much. Not only rice, puri, malpua, laddu, noni khurma,
Pita.
khaja,
Pita.
so many kinds of pita. Magaj laddu, you cannot narrate the name. So many kinds of prasad. And in this summer, Jagannath take ghosa jal. Understand ghosa jal? The water with jaifal. Jaifal, understand? No. Jaifal and camphor with water in summer. Ghosa jal. It is digesting and also a good drink. You know Jaifal? No.
I heard before.
Huh?
I only heard before. I
You
haven't
you
seen-
heard the name?
Yes.
Yes. These chimeras. And they are like sandal with kopur. Kopur means camphor. And mixed with the water. That is called ghosajal. And every time they offer Lord Jagannath so many food stuff. After that, they offer noni khurma for digesting. Otherwise, Jagannath may ill, but for digesting, they offer noni khurma. Every day, they offer Jagannath Triphala water. Understand Triphala? You seen Triphala?
Yeah.
You use Triphala?
Yes.
Macha. You drink,
Yes. Very bitter.
huh?
Bitter.
You never taken.
I think.
Macha?
Try.
Huh?
For some little time, I tried.
But Jagannath not only drink, but also they use in his eye every day. If you use Triphala in your eye will never cataract or other troubles. So they are used every day for Jagannath. You seen Jagannath?
In Chagda.
No, not like that. Jagannath has any glass? No. Because he used always Triphala in his eye. So never it is very effective for the eye. You seen Jagannath? You see the eye of Jagannath. What kind of?
Chakadola. Very big.
Not big, but round. Not Balaram and Subhadra. They are not round. But the eye of Jagannath is round. So that is called chokka dola. Banshidas Babaji, I was like that. So powerful, you see, a light in his eye. So powerful eye. Banshidas Babaji. You heard the name of Banshidas Babaji? Prabhupada not allowed, is disabled to meet Banshidas Babaji because they are not understand. Sometimes he engaged to clear the peace. Sometimes so many foods, sweets offered to Babaji, give it. Not to get anything. If he wishes, then he destroy all these things. One day he seen a cow came there and eaten these things. Babaji was very laughing and uttered, चोर ने दिया चोर ने लिया. Understand? One thief
Thief.
will give and another
Take.
take. One man of businessman, rich businessman of Navadvip. He offered a new cottage to Babaji Maharaj. But Babaji Maharaj never go there. He offered another Babaji named Gokul Das Babaji. Once he asked Gokul Das Babaji, the room is good. The room is good. But there are so many thieves. They can stolen everything from the room. When they stolen? After begging, I am making rice, etc., and taking the prasad. Then in the evening, I went to Ganga, and near Ganga, I am sit there and taken Harinam every day, and return at 10 p.m. Then they are stolen everything. What is the harm? You are offered by the thief, and another thief will stolen these things. In the meantime, you take full belly of food. What do you want more? That is his version. And two pairs of Vigraha with Babaji Maharaj. One Gaur Nityananda and the Radha Krishna. And he offered Gaur Nityananda, Radha Krishna, Tamaku Hukka. Babaji Maharaj, why not Gaur Nityananda? No, they are not taken. They are not. So Prabhupada told his disciples not to meet Babaji. They are not understand. They are Paramhans. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji also never taken anything from anybody. And if he will, then he will take it. Bhakti Pradeep Tirtha. His previous name was Jagadish Babu. He went to Navadvip Dham, Mayapur, and offered Babaji Maharaj a watermelon. Babaji Maharaj took it and told him, why come here? To see the function of Thakur Bhakti Vinod performed in the birthday of Lord Chaitanya. So, I come to attend that function. Then Babaji Maharaj told, those who come to Dham, they are not come back. They are come back. Why not?
That Jat Gati in Gita,
Ha.
that verse, if one goes to
No jadgatta no nivartante tadhamo paramanga mama. That is my dham, where people come, they are not returned. So why? You came here with a return ticket. It is not wise. Then he was puzzled and taken Harinam from Thakur Bhakti Vinod. Because if I had taken Harinam, then I never left. I am there by Harinam. Because Saranagata. If you left your house for several places, yet you are not from your country, you are your countries. You come to India, you come to Pakistan, you come to Nepal, so many places. But yet you are Slavonians people. So, those who are taken Harinam, they are for the Dham. So he taken Harinam. And Thakur Bhakti Vinod asked him, please speak something regarding Lord Chaitanya, because he was educated man and the teacher of David at school, teacher of mathematics. Then he delivered lecture. Fortunately or unfortunately, he uttered, I told, once a day come when all over the world preaching the teachings of Lord Chaitanya from that very place. That very place means
Jogapith.
Jogapith. So he compelled to go with Manu Maharaj to preach the doctrines of Lord Chaitanya. He know that I am going there. He think about it. In his dream also, never. By forcibly, in his heart, Lord Chaitanya uttered this word from his tongue. You see in Jagadish Babu? No.
Photo I
Photo.
saw. I read his Gita.
Gita,
In English. This
Now,
I-
in commentary,
yes.
he translated
To
in
English.
commentary of
Bhakti Vinod Thakur.
no,
Baladev Vidyabhushan.
Baladev Vidyabhushan Tika. In English, Gita. And another, Chaitanya Dev. This volume. Bhakti Pradipti, the first sannyasi of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur took sannyasa 1918 and Bhakti Pradipti 1920.
And you, which year you took? Which year?
Huh?
You, which year you took sannyas?
Myself,
Yes.
I am not taken sannyas. Sannyas was given to me. I am not taking sannyas. I compelled to take sannyas by the will of my divine master and other disciple of Prabhupada. I am not favored in this. What is the utility of sannyas?
To engage body, mind and speech. for
Also, I
this.
know body benefit. Yeah, without danda, you cannot control it. What is the necessity of that? And all those who are taken sannyas, they are controlled. They are controlled. You believe it? I repeat so many times. No, I am not able man. But sannyas. By the request of Keshav Prabhu and others, I never agree. When Guru Maharaj told, then I agree. The Vaishnav's will and also mind will. Then I compel to sannyas. If you prepare yourself first of all. Then this. Otherwise, it is a symbol. I travel all over India. In the Brahmachari base, not sannyasi. But after that, I compelled to take sannyas. এই দাও নিকালো এসে যাবে আমার ভক্ত আমাকে ইয়ে করবে কেন আজকে অনেক লোক আসছে অনেক ওই যে দুজন গেল ওরাও এসে গেছে এখানে তাদের সঙ্গে অনেকগুলি কথা হলো তারা বলল আপনি বৃন্দাবন যাবেন শুনছি আমি বলি বৃন্দাবন যাবো ওখানে থাকবো না only 6 days 4 days in Kalido 2 days in